It was in the month of April 2 years ago that a fledgling Arab Spring, a fledgling Dawla Madaniya, a civil state born out of the intents of Islam, was snuffed out as Sheikh Rashid Al-Ghannouchi was incarcerated in a Tunisian prison. With him went the hopes of so many in the Arab world for democracy, for human rights and for freedom. And so we must redouble our efforts to have him out, because the Ummah and the world needs the kind of intellect that Sheikh Rashid has brought to the world of Islam. And so we must intensify this campaign to have him free, because the world we live in is very dangerous today. We have a capricious superpower, and unless there is intellectual ability to be able to turn it around, we may be lost. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ensure that Sheikh Rashid is freed very soon, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be sure that his family is strong, his nation is strong, and that the Ummah is strong to bear his loss. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.